Hello everyone, today I've got a room tour of room 1415 at Penang Marriott Hotel. That is the doorbell. This is the key card. Let's go ahead and get the room tour started. Okay, so that is the floor plan on the back of the door. This is the view that you get as you enter the room. To the left, we have the sliding door for the bathroom. And on the sliding door itself is a floor to ceiling mirror. As we enter the bathroom, we have the bathtub right there with the towel. We can actually open this sliding door and look into the bedroom itself. We can obviously close it as well for more privacy. There we have mirrors, the shaving mirror, power outlet, glasses, the sink itself. There we have a bar soap, bottle of body lotion, towels, all the bathroom amenities, a box of tissues, and below we have more towels. There we have the hair dryer, the bin, towel, and here we have the shower area with a place to sit, the usual shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel, handheld shower, rain showers right above. Here we have the toilet area with toilet rolls, hooks, and opposite the bathroom we have the wardrobe area. Here we have the master light switch together with a do not disturb switch. Here we have the ironing board, iron, and a shelf above for storage. If we slide this open, we have bathrobes, torchlight, storage above, hangers, in-room slippers below, here we have a place to put luggage with a drawer for storage, and down below we have more storage together with the weighing scale. And if you slide this open, we have the in-room safe right here together with the laundry stuff. Here we have the light switches for the bathroom. Climate control panel is right there. Below we have a power outlet. And again, we can slide this open to look into the bathroom. On the left bedside table, we have a drawer for storage, the TV remote, TV guide below the remote, all the various light switches for the room together with a couple of power outlets and a couple of USB-A ports. There's a light right above, a light strip behind the headboard. The bed itself is quite big and is quite comfortable. Right here we have the pantry area with bottles of water, power outlet, a light. Here we have all the tea and coffee making stuff, mugs, glasses, spoons, and whatnot. Here we have more storage together with the kettle. Right here we have the fridge. It is not empty, but you can put your own items in there, and the first round of drinks in the fridge are complimentary. We have the bins right there. One side is for recyclable items, the other side is for regular waste. We have the flat screen LG TV right there, desk area, with the chair, table, storage surfaces, lights, sofa area with a table, and on the right bedside table we have another drawer, writing materials, in-room telephone, clock, a light, and another set of light switches, power outlets, and USB-A ports. As for the view out, we can see all the surrounding buildings next to the hotel. You can also see the Gurney Drive development, Gurney Drive in the distance, and the housing area next to the hotel. Alright, so that's it for the room tour of room 1415 at Penang Marriott Hotel. Thanks for watching and goodbye.